Alrighty, you guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Canon TS6120. It's the Canon Pixma, actually, TS6120 to be exact. It's basically, I had an old Canon printer that I got not too long ago, or actually not too long ago, a very long ago, and finally just gave out. So I wanted to get more of an updated Canon printer, one that wasn't too expensive, but also that could, hold up and do simple printing jobs. So that's kind of why I got this. It's nothing crazy special, so if you're into serious photo printing, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you're, just needing a good printer to use at home for, essays, documents, other things like that, this is great. Just comes with a lot of really neat features. So I'll talk about it a little bit. I'll first start off with the quality. The quality of the prints, and while of course not really pro for photographs, I did print some photos on it and they actually turned out really well. You can put some 5-color ink in there, and it works not only to proper quality, but also it works quickly, which is a really big thing, because a lot of the printers, especially the old one that I had, was just so incredibly slow, where it was almost not motivating to print things. Even when I needed to, it was just such a burden to do. So I'm really happy that this is so simple and so quick and so efficient. It just makes life much easier. Another thing about this printer is it is completely wireless. It's very easy to set up for wireless as well. I'll turn it on so you can kind of, whoops, there you go. Basically, everything is very user-friendly, very self-explanatory. Setting up, you can just go to your LAN settings and, essentially, connect right there. This means that you can print from really anything. You can print from the cloud, you can print from your phone, you can print from your laptop or computer or whatever. And it doesn't even have to be plugged in, which is awesome. If you don't want to, also, for a while before I actually was printing from there, I was just using the USB port that's available. You can't really see it on the back, but essentially there's a USB port as well, so you can plug USB in and print while corded too, which make things easier, especially if you don't have Wi-Fi or just want to connect to anything else you don't feel like connecting. Whatever it is, you can also print with a cord as well if you have USB capabilities. It is very compact, as you can see. Design of it is great because I don't have a ton of space, and this is actually something that I'm keeping in my own room, and so being able to just kind of store it away under the desk is really nice. It's also a really sleek looking black color, which is also nice, kind of fits in with the modern sort of vibe. My other one, my old one, was a little gray and white, just kind of ugly looking, so it's nice to have something that also looks very sleek and very modern as well. So yeah, there is two-sided printing as well on this thing, which is another great feature. A lot of older printers come with that, so the fact that you can do that is really nice. It's got really good paper support. I haven't had issues yet with my papers getting crumbled or anything bent when I'm printing them through, so you can easily just fit paper in the top slot up here. It's very standard, I guess you could say. Simple to use, but yeah, you can basically use front and rear paper. You can do really anything. The kind of going back to the LCD touchscreen, it's convenient, which I like. It's not maybe the most high quality in the world, but for simple tasks, very easy to use. Not anything that you need to fuss about in terms of figuring out the controls. Other than that, you also have the scanner on top, scanner, copy, or whatever on top. Looks really nice. Yeah, I mean, overall, it's just a really solid printer. Canon they're known for making good products, and this is, definitely on the cheaper end, but, still has some pretty high quality features, plus the LCD, which makes it a little more modern. So yeah, all around, I would highly recommend this to anyone looking for, a good mid-range printer for their home. Again, it's the Canon Pixma TS6120, and yeah, definitely check it out. Alright, y'all, take it easy.